on Taco Tuesday. All right. I don't even know where it's at. Range. There it is. Can't see that, can you? Okay. Good morning, good morning. Welcome in. Hello, hello. Maybe when I pass first eval, I will roll with the bot. There you go. You can use the bot to pass the eval, though. This is ES New Range. Good morning. I'm poor. Me too. Broker in a joke. ES New Range in a $1,500 short. Buenos dias. It's Aldo. ¿Cómo estás? P2P, Razor Black, Bladick, Brenda, RGN, welcome in, good morning. Ace, hello, what do you know? Ace is the place with the help for hardware, folks. Something like that, right? I don't know. Let's see, Santa in a trade? Oh, Santa's not in a trade yet. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. Welcome in. It's the Swag Show. Welcome back. It is Tuesday, January 7th. There's Santa getting in a trade now. Tate launched a new coin and already 4 million market cap. Yeah. I don't deal with all that crypto nonsense. It's just silly, in my opinion. I don't understand it. I was thinking about taking a short there, but should have taken a short from 700. Santa will get into both longs and shorts, so it all depends on what he puts you in. But Go both ways there. $200. Welcome in. Sorry, I was looking at something. That was called a short trade, bitches. Michael, what's going on? I hope you're well. The girls were crushing it. They always do. How can you not crush something when you look like that, right? Get it? No? Okay. I'm being corny again. Here I am. Welcome back. It is Kyle. I just took a $800 short there and made back my losses. So I'm green 200 on the day on my PAs. Don't tell nobody. I just did that, but I did. I was just in an $800 short there from 21,500, and I just closed out. So now I'm green 200 on the day. But Michael, guess what? I did bust evals again today. There you go. Me talking about busting accounts. I busted the evals, the 250Ks, because I sized up and I was trying to YOLO them. But not the PAs. I did not bust them. I made my 200. I just was in an $800 short. But on my evals, I busted some of those. So you can go tell them. Go tell everybody. Too tight of a stop loss. I had the wrong ATM strategy on. And the market's moving so crazy that it stopped me out for like 800 at a time. And I had the wrong ATM on, but that's how. But no, I didn't bust my funded. Did you bust your funded? I didn't bust my funded. I busted my eval. Crypto Babe, I hope you didn't bust your funded. Wagner, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. Umesh, Justin, Lewis, Dan, Victor. Oh no, you busted a funded account? How the hell you do that? That's what you're supposed to do. It's easier said than done some days. But if you let the algorithm trade for you, you could have had NQ High 5 this morning make you $200. 200 across 20 accounts is $4,000 today. You should have just been done with that. Yep, it takes time. It takes discipline. It takes not being greedy. It takes stopping when you're at your goal. So I'm green on my PAs for today. $200 a day. I'm done trading with the funded accounts. Now, my evals, like I said, I was sized up a little bit because I saw it dropping. I knew it was going to continue to drop, but I just got in and it pulled back, and I had too tight of a stop loss on it. So not a big deal. It was only $16. I can reset it for $35, I think. So I'll probably reset those and try and pass them, again tomorrow. That's all we can do. Hugo, Saking Kane, Boss Man, T. Bryant, Pete Moss, Jared, Kentucky Angels, welcome in, Andre Webb, Matt P, Mark P. Hello. What do you know? Yeah, if you have discipline and you're okay just letting the bot do its thing and not watching it and trusting in it, you're going to be fine. You're going to do just fine. It's when you start manually trading that the emotions can come into play, and it takes a really long time for some people, most people, to get disciplined enough to just stop when they make $100 or $200 a day per account. Like me, it took me 2 years basically to get to this point where, yeah, I was down 400 on my PA accounts, but I know what I'm doing and know that I should be able to make it back if I just relax and let the trade come to me and have the right ATM strategy set on. And that's what I did, and I caught an $800 drop there, and now I'm green like $200 on all my PAs. Green 500 on my evals, except for the two big ones where I am busted those, and that's okay though. We will reset and start again tomorrow on the evals, but not a big deal. Nothing in a trade. Let's see. NQ later's in a trade. We got range ES new. Where's that at? $2,400 on this range ES new. Almost to target. Let's see here if I can move this up. It's got quite a bit to go still on this ES, but $2,500 on one mini contract on the ES range new. We got later in a trade. We got mid in a trade. I guess I turned those off, huh? Yeah, I turned them off. New already made its profit. All right, I'm going to shut that down. Got to remember to turn it off when you're done for the day, too. That's the other thing. High five one. That was $200. So we got NQ later green 400. NQ mid is green $10. NQ new was 1 for 1 for $350. NQ high five 1 for 1 for $200. NQ early 1 for 1 for $100. PBV ES night green $750. NQ big bangs green $445. MQ gridlocks green $2,200 on the day. NQ props green $600 on the day. Everything's green on the day. All the algorithms except Santa and oil are green for the day. So did it just take profit? Just took profit at $27.50. It just hit target $27.50 on ES new range. One micro would have been $275. That could have been your daily goal, and you could have been done and walked away. $2,750. Will they reset a funded account? No, not on Apex. And I don't on Tradeify. I don't think they'll do that on Tradeify either. I think you have to pay to reset it, but it might be more expensive to actually reset it on Tradeify than it is to just buy a new one. So, if I remember correctly, NQ range mid. Let's see. All right. Let's put this on here on a 5-minute. Trader. NQ range mid. There we go. Let me show you that one here. All right. In a short here on NQ range mid. One of the new ones. BM Frederick. Keep tapping that screen. Richard Simpson. Not Frasetti. Welcome back. Good morning. Hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here on this terrific Taco Tuesday. We got NQ range mid on the right on TikTok and on the left on both YouTube. It's NQ prop. $500 for the first 21 days. Aha. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Helped from losses from yesterday. Yeah, there you go. Good job, Burberry. Glad you made some back. So recap on my end. I did make 200 on my 4 PAs. I busted 2 of my evals, and the other 4 evals I made 500. And my top step and my take profit, I hit my daily stop loss as well. So what state am I in? Illinois. Illinois, you put me in a miserable state. The slogan used to say, Illinois, you put me in a happy state. It's not a happy state. It's a miserable state. I don't like it here. But I've got kids and family here, so I'm stuck here for a while. At least till they graduate high school. All right. Well, it was green like $350 on this NQ mid. So if you're watching it, you could have taken profit. You're not supposed to mess with it, but if you know, nothing wrong with taking profit when you got profit to take. You know what I mean? Bear down. Yeah, it was great to see him beat the Packers in the last game of the season, even though they probably screwed themselves out of the 9th pick overall next year in the draft. But hey, whatever. Who's counting, right? They had the 1st and the 9th pick this year. And I think Caleb will do fine once they find a coach that knows what the hell he's doing. Parwinder, welcome to the Swagoners. Mount up. Sorry, NQ long. No, NQ's in a short. NQ right now is in a short on NQ mid. It was green 380 and now it's down. Santa's in a trade. What did I miss? Did I miss it? Yep, I must have missed it. Yep, he was in a trade. Let me put him over here. We'll do 3 for 1 on Tuesday here. Oh, man. Got down to 21,400, pretty much even, was the low point, and then it kind of bounced up from there. That's where you could have taken profit. You could have moved your stop loss and taken profit on that to lock it in, because now it's going to bounce from there, and who knows. So I shut all of it down on my end. On my live accounts, I still might trade my eval accounts on Apex and get those puppies going. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. I'll have 8 PAs if I pass these other 4 evals. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I busted the 250Ks because I was sized way too high. I had 4 minis on, and then I forgot that I had 4 minis on, and I sized up on the ATM to 3 contracts, which means I would have been trading like 12 or something. Even, I don't know. Yeah, I would have been trading 12, and that's why it busted. But I had my stop loss set too tight. So I took 2 losses at 12 contracts for like, I don't know, $800 each. But what it is. It is what it is. We're here. Carlos, Scott, Kane, Malik. I need to teach you discipline, my friend. With this bot, you should be a multimillionaire. I've got it. Just not on my evals. I just don't care when they're $16 a piece. That's why. I should, because I've blown through so many. It's like I'm just wasting money. But you're right, Michael. You are absolutely right. I do need to treat it like real money, because it is money. I am spending money on these evals. And losing hundreds of them, it's cost me money, right? So why am I not being disciplined and treating them like real accounts? I don't know. Got to risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. Sometimes you just got to YOLO. Crypto Babe, what were you doing? Were you manually trading or something? You got to trust in algorithms. You shouldn't be manually trading unless you have taken the digital mentorship or you know how to manually trade. But I can't tell you what to do. And you should have been sized way down on micros on the straight to funded accounts. The Tradeify accounts you should have had on, I don't know. Everybody does what they want to do, but one mini account, you should not have blown, even if you were trading one mini, you shouldn't have blown a 6,500. You accidentally bought more contracts when you were trying to get out? Oh, no. You can't get a PA without getting an eval first. Yeah, I know, Michael. I know. You're right. All right, well, there's that loss on that, and PA, that lost on that. Now we're moving back up here. Now we're moving and grooving to the upside here. Let me move this over here. Let me move this over there. Let me move Santa on screen here. I know you can't get a PA without passing the eval, so why am I not taking it more serious? That's a damn good question. I ask myself that all the time. Why do I like losing? Why do I not treat this as real money sometimes on these evals and just take it serious and practice the discipline? It's a good point. It's a damn good point. I think I'm going to have to do that this year. I think this year I'm going to have to do that because you're right. I've lost too much in evals fees. And that's how these prop firms are making money, right? So. Market Realty Group, Gotti, Saking, P2P, Suma, Michael Graves, Razor Bladick, Miguel Scott, Airy, Chip Barnes, Lefty, Tal Patel, Randy Weiss, Luis, welcome in. Keep tapping the screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean until your fingers turn green. Santa in a $100 and $200 and something long here. Move him over. You can see Santa for a minute. There's 225. That's kind of ugly, but you get the picture. $300 on 400, 500. Whoa, look how quick that jumped up. Look how quick that jumped all the way up. It spiked up there. I don't know what caused that, but that was a big spike up to $500 in the green. And then it just closes out at $75. So that's the weird thing about Santa. You got to be careful. Follow him closely. Take your profit if you can with Santa if you're going to use them, but trade cash count, no rules, trade small, take the profit, easy peasy. Yeah, that's what I need to do too with my cash count. Unfortunately, I've just been picking the wrong direction on my cash account. But yeah, definitely if you could just make $100 a day in your cash account, that's $2,000 a month. And micros, yeah, they do add up. 2 micros, $1 a tick. Nothing wrong with that. What's 100 ticks divided by 4? Is that 25 points? So you just need a 25-point move. You could have your $100 a day. 25-point moves happen really fast on the NASDAQ. I mean, look where the blue line is. It's at 84 and it's already up to 23. So, yeah, it doesn't really matter. We're just saying cash is king because there are no rules as far as consistency rules, payout rules, stuff like that. So if you have a cash account, it's better to start with like a 3,000 or greater cash account and just go small on micros, slowly build it up, and then you could split your profits to pay for the algorithm and then build your cash account and then get some prop firm accounts on top of that. And then you can diversify your portfolio, trade different strategies, you know, yada, 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 so on and so forth. So, what we got here? Tweezer bottoms on 15 minute at 21,450, 2, 3, something like that. Looks like it. It's got to break above 21,586 to continue up. Oh yeah, crypto. If that's your first time, they just shut you down on probably on your first. You didn't probably bust your account. I forgot on Tradeify. I thought they changed the rules, but if you hit 3,500, then you should still have another like 4,000 left in your drawdown. So you didn't actually bust your account. They just stopped you for today. So don't panic. Don't do anything. Let me talk with you if you don't understand. Let's have a Zoom real quick or message me in Slack. But on Tradeify, they have a soft stop that is half of your drawdown. So on a $150,000 account, I believe it was 7,500 or 6,500. They might have changed it to. And if you hit half of that, they'll shut you off for the day, but you didn't bust the account. So you still have the account. You just can't trade it the rest of the day. Yeah, I forgot all about that. So, yeah, don't panic. You still have your account. You just, luckily, that's the other reason why I like Tradeify so much, is they give you like that second chance opportunity with the remainder of your drawdown to come back tomorrow and try again. So Lemonade, King, Larry, Will, Scoo, Louis, John, Wendy, The Real Mike, Ashton, Edwin, Daniel, Palo, Jesse, whatever, Glenn, Red Rum, Georgie. What a lesson. Yeah, it's a tough one to learn now. Make sure you go in micros from here on out and build it up. It's just going to take you even longer to get a payout now because you used up half of your drawdown, but at least you didn't bust your Tradeify account. That's the good thing with them. I forgot all about that. But yeah. It is a tough pill to swallow if you bust a Tradeify account when you spent $400 or $500 on it. Trust me. Been there, done that. Not fun. Santa, Santa, Santa baby, what are you doing? Santa baby, nobody's ruined your life more than me. I don't know. What am I doing? Why did it do that? Maybe I'll just put this on quick little 4-banger. I want to pass these evals today, though, Michael. Are you still there? I want to pass these evals today. So I'm thinking about just, not YOLO on them, but I want to size up. You know why? Because I want to pass them today. Drop down. Michael, where you at? Where'd you go? Umar, Brian, Omar, Technology Get, Dupe Blue, 118 wheel spinning, Money Empire, Mitchell, Sean, blah blah. In a day is crazy swag. Yep, I know. I could pass them in a day if I go big, though. That's what I mean. But sometimes you bust them too, right? You can bust them just as easy as you can pass them. That's the hard part. You can bust them just as easy as you can pass them. And when you go sizing up like this, should I do it? Probably not. But you know what? I ain't got nothing better to do. Especially if I catch a wrong runner like this. Look at that. Long runner. $1,000, $1,400, $1,500. Look, I'm going to show you. I'm over here. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you guys. I'm not joking around. Look at this. $1,900. We'll drop it. We're going to take profit. If it continues to drop, though, we're going to pass this bitch in one day. You know what I'm saying? These are evals right now, guys. I'm not playing around with you. Oh, all right, look. Boom. Woo. Whew. See, that'll get the heart pumping. That'll get the heart pumping. I told you, I know what I'm doing half the time, but if I could just limit myself to not being silly and doing silly stuff like that. Did you just see that trade? Did you understand what I'm saying? I know what I'm doing half the time. The other half of the time, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm losing my freaking mind. These kids are driving me crazy. Did I pass? No. You know why? Because I was down 500. Now I'm green 700. Should I stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll flow to the extreme. I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up the stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance. That was a $1,900 trade that I was just in to recover. Now listen, it's evals, guys. They're evals. They're 50K evals. I was down 500 and now I'm up 650. So should I stop for the day? I mean, Green on 7 had a rhythmic issue and busted 1 PA, brought almost all of them back to life. Oh, Mike. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But I'm glad you made them most back to life, hopefully. So 2 evals down the drain, 4 evals, green 650. My PAs are green 200. Top Step hit the daily stop loss, and Take Profit hit the daily stop loss because I forgot that has such a small drawdown. So anyway, we're here. Can you pass the Apex same day? Yeah. If you bought it when they had that sale going on. Do you have a Tradeify code? Yeah, it's right there on the screen. https://tradeify.co/ref/swag show. If you use that link and then you use the code January or just Jan, I think, that'll get you the best percentage or whatever that they had. I think it's 30% off right now, though. So it's not the greatest, but it's not the worst either, I guess. Pass it in a day. You guys really are trying to tempt me into trying to pass this in a day, aren't you? I could, maybe, but it's tough because you got to size up. I'm 1,500 away on some and 1,900 away on the others. And right now, the market's just consolidating, so it's going to be tough. Senti, welcome in. 2-5 Baseball, welcome in. Samurai, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up, thank you for the follow. Santa and along here. It's going to get chopped up. This market, it's 11 o'clock. We're going into consolidation mode. After this big, huge drop this morning and this pullback, it's going to try and figure out what it's going to do next. I could scalp the crap out of it and try and scalp it, but it just gets hard. Carlos, Saturn, Ural, John D. Reminder. So, but yeah, Crypto Babe, the Tradeify code will be at the top of the website once you go to Tradeify. But just use my link to get there if you would, please. I appreciate it. So if you pass an eval and get approved for a payout, do you keep trading on that account or what? No. So how it works with Apex is once you pass the eval, you have to pay the PA fee or the performance account fee, and then that becomes a reset. Basically, you start back at 50,000, and then you have to build up from there, and you have to build up to 3,000 without hitting any of their consistency rules or whatever. You basically have to make like 300 a day every day for 10 days, and then you'll have your $3,000, and then you can request, I think, 500 because you would put yourself back under the buffer. I don't know. It's Apex changes the rules all the time. But if you can hold on for like a month and just make $300 or so a day, you'll be fine. But yeah, you start over with a brand new account. It's a performance account. I have 4 of them right now, and I was down 500 and something in one of them. Well, 500 on all 4 PAs, and then I brought it all the way back, which they're probably going to flag me for because I had sized up or something, but I don't care. I'm not trying to withdraw for at least the end of the month. The end of January, that's when I'll try and put in for a withdrawal. If I'm over my buffer, which I should be because I'm only like $700, $800 away from it on my PA accounts. Let's see. Nothing in a trade right now. So we'll keep an eye out here. See if NQ Prop can get into a trade here, or if Santa wants to get into a trade. Let's see, is this a bull flag or is it a drop? I could have taken a scalp short there, but now it's hitting something else. So. Alright, yeah, that's that. So we could take a long there, I guess, at 21,500. But I don't like taking longs when we're below everything. Should I just short it? Alright, we'll just short it. We'll see if it gets underneath here. Put our stop loss up here. Alright, we're short here at 500 even. Trying to see if it can get below 500. Just on my evals, guys. Don't follow me. This is not financial advice. It did break below there for a little bit. I could have caught it for $100. Alright, we stopped out there. No, stopped out there, not what it was. Wasn't quite ready to drop, I guess. $500 for the first month of the standard algorithm style, or sorry, first 21 days for the standard algorithms. $1,000 a month after that. How to get 6 contracts on there? I did not want it to have 6. I need it to drop really bad now. What the fudge packing mamas? Shorts. It's looking to actually take a long on NQ prop. I was in a short. NQ later's in a trade here. What's it doing? NQ later. It's in a short. Yeah, so we want it to drop. It's just having a hard time getting through 21,500. But it is the new candle 1115 candle on a 15-minute chart. So we'll see what happens here at 21,500. We want it to drop for all the people in NQ later that got in up here at, what did I get in at? 14. So could just be a consolidation H pattern here. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, jelly bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. The more likes I get, the more followers I can get, the more giveaways I can do to help you, help me help you. You understand? No? Okay. Me neither. I don't get it either, but I'm trying to tell you. It's worth it. All you got to do is exercise your finger. Just keep tapping that screen as fast as you can. I'd stop for the day. You won't go broke making a profit. That's true. But I am stopped on my live accounts, Jason, so it's good on that. I'm just trying to pass the evals in one day now. But like my friend Michael said, you can't get a PA without first passing the eval, so no need to risk blowing the eval accounts, right? No need risk blowing the evals, I guess. Just gotta pass the evals first. Looking for it to drop here down to 21,848. 21,484, I mean. $21,484 is where we need it to drop to here. There you go. Yep. Nothing in a trade right now yet, guys, but we are here. How was your weekend? Let's talk about something. Talk about football. Who's going to win the national championship in college? We could talk about that. Okay, so see, that's why sometimes you don't want to try and YOLO because you just busto. That's what happens when you size up and you try and pass them in one day. Not a big deal. $16. You guys owe me $16. Yeah. What is this music? I don't know. It's like do 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 do. The Buckeye, Ohio. Keep fighting. Get out of here. No way. Only because I'm a Notre Dame fan. I do hope Notre Dame plays Ohio State in the national championship, though. I think that would be awesome. No. 96. Yes. I think I would love to see Ohio State and Notre Dame play in the national championship. I am a Notre Dame fan. My cousins are, I think they went to Ohio State, a couple of them, but you want to bet? Okay. You got to get past Texas first, and then we'll bet. You get past Texas first, and then we'll bet. It's going to be good games, interesting games, though. I like. There we go. John Sanchez, touchdown, Jesus. That's right. Let's see. What's this one? 495. What in the hell is going on? Oh my goodness, this thing's going crazy. Okay. 495. Reset. If they win, you give 100% discount. Okay, I will be there. I tell you what, I will. I'll do a giveaway. If Ohio State wins, I'll give one person a free month. Harsh B3, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Santa's in along here. He's trying to scalp him and reverse him and catch a runner here. We'll check him out. All right. We got. What do we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should still have 6, I think. 6 evals, I think, hopefully. That should be me. I will remind you. Okay. Hey, we're going to do the giveaway anyway. Regardless, at the end of January, I'm going to be giving away another membership to BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. 1 free month. But keep fighting. Me and you, we could bet on the side. The weird thing is, I don't know what happened to all my Shiba coin. I logged into my account. I thought I bought it through Coinbase, and like it's all gone. So I don't know what the hell happened. Quick question: what best app to learn how to trade? Want to learn so I can eventually teach my 8-year-old? Just get NinjaTrader and get a demo account. You could practice for free on NinjaTrader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Should be 6. I don't know what happened. All right, we'll close this out. Close this out. And we'll open this up, see how far behind they are on the account building process here. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we do have 6. And then we got 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 4 PAs and 6 evals. All right, so now we got to go slow because now we're talking about real money to reset. Prob, welcome in. Good morning, Santi. Eduardo, S.A. King, Oblivier, Mooley. What do we got? Nothing in trade. Nothing in the trade. We're just talking about football, college football. Everybody thinks Notre Dame's going to win. That's right. I said everybody thinks Notre Dame's going to win, as they should. How much is to buy Santa? So Santa is part of the standard algorithms. You just have to be a member for 1 week. So it's $500 for the first 21 days. And then $1,000 a month after that. You just have to be careful with Santa because he can take a lot of trades. So we got Notre Dame winning the national championship. I'm glad we've all agreed on that. And now NFL. Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl? I like the Detroit Lions. I think the Detroit Lions are going to win it all. See, Santa in a trade, but you got to be careful because boom, just like that, you can lose $200 on one mini contract. But you can run them on micros as well. Keep fight you did. You said Notre Dame, right? You agreed Notre Dame's going to win? I know. You're Ohio State. Okay. Texas is going to be tough, though. Texas is going to be tough. It's going to be good 4 games. Good, well, 2 games and then the championship. So 3 games. I'm excited to see if Notre Dame can beat Penn State and then either take on the Ohio State Buckeyes or Texas. I don't think they should lose to Penn State. And then I like the Detroit Lions. I think they should win. The Super Bowl, honestly. All right, we're going to disconnect that. We're going to disconnect that. We're going to disconnect that. Bring Tradeovate back up here. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, this is it. This is it, guys. The last hurrah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. We're gonna size this up to 4 and 4. We're gonna AT market strategy, blah blah blah. All right, and away we go. $700 short on Santa. What are we missing here? Holy cow, look at this. Why didn't I get in there? Why was I in there? Why didn't I get in there? That's called FOMO. We don't have FOMO. This is kind of just making an H pattern there. Down, consolidate, and then it should be down. 300, 400 now on Santa. So yeah, we think Notre Dame, most of us, and then Detroit is who I'm picking for the Super Bowl. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that. Yep, got it. Didn't even think about that. I understand now. Sorry about that. I totally forgot. We got live BoldBot in the house. Hello. Good morning. Ask any questions. Is the Wonder Woman named Lauren incognito? 145, 200, 260. Santa's been catching some big runs, but like I said, he does take a lot of trades, so you got to just hit your goal and be done for the day with them. If your goal is 200 a day or 300 a day, whatever it is, just make sure that you stop when you're at your goal. Let me get this out of here. Get that out of there. Santa, what else? Well, Vizzy doesn't trade very much anymore because we switched it. So I can't show that. Silver Range is the only thing that I show in a trade right now. Let's see. Can I pull it up? Oh, there goes Santa. What happened? Where'd my chart go? Well, now we're freezing here. That's never good. Ugh, too much shit. Open. Santa in a short here. Felix, Jackzil, Violet, Steppy, Jose, Neo, Scott, McCurdy, Nirvana went from 50 people to 16 real quick. Oregon Super Soil, the Street Professor, good morning. Welcome in, good afternoon, hello, what do you know? It is the Swag Show you are watching. My name is Kyle. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $500 now on this short. Where was I at? $670 short now on Santa. Yeah, it's all fun. It's all fun and games until you poke somebody's eye out, right? Was 900 at the high, yeah. Well, you don't buy it, you lease it, but you rent it each month. But correct, yeah. When you get new accounts, how do you connect them on Ninja? They should just automatically show up as long as you already have your settings for that prop firm set up, crypto. So since you already have a Tradeify account, if you just buy more Tradeify accounts, they will automatically show up the next time you connect. It might take them a minute. You can always log into Tradeovate and see if they're ready. Sometimes it might take it a minute to show up. It might not be instantaneous. Get into Fart Stop. It's a golden ticker. Great play on GameStop and GME. You guys and your crypto stuff. I wish you the best. I hope you make millions. Just remember the small folks. Remember the small folks when you do, will you? Alright, we're done playing around with the eval stuff. We gotta take it serious. We gotta take it serious now, folks. Serious, folks, okay? Abby, Nightwalker, Nick, TikTok user, Jonathan Gratian, welcome in, good morning. $430 now on the Santa Long. Has a long way to get back to even. 503. Twan, Wiggins, Joshua, Felix, welcome back. Good morning. Good afternoon almost. It is 11:41. Keep tapping that screen. You're watching BoldBot. It is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Santa's going to try the short again here. $200 now on the short. We're just blasting up and down and up and down. Crazy day. Big move down this morning. Now consolidation into an H pattern. Possibly. Algorithm. I only use Coinbase but want to move into day trading. Where might I start? Josh, get a NinjaTrader account. Get it for free. Practice in simulation, and then you can add real money to it once you feel comfortable. After 2 months of practice, if you're making profits more than you're losing, then you can fund it with real money if you want to. That would be my suggestion. I don't know what happened on my Coinbase. I had a bunch of Shiba coin, and when I logged in, it's all gone. I don't know what happened. It's like it's not even there anymore. Okay, now let's check it out here. No problem. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other one? 1. Okay. 1. It's probably just taking its sweet time to show up here. It is 11:43. We'll see what the 11:45 candle is. Just kind of going sideways here on us on the bigger time frame chart. If you look at like a 15-minute chart, it's just been red, green, red, green, red, green, red. I got 17 things in there in Coinbase. Do, 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 do. All right, now we got 6 again. All right. Okay. Some small stuff, 20 here and 20 there, a couple hundred into like Pepe, Shiba. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my Shiba. I seriously don't know what happened. It's like living in a different time zone or time frame or twilight zone. I had millions and millions of Shiba, and when I logged in, now I don't even see it in my account. So I don't know what happened to it. Crazy. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you, it's just crazy. Yeah, it is. It's weird. It's like maybe somebody hacked my account or something. It like, because it always used to log me in automatically. Like I just put my thumbprint on there and it would bring up my account. But this time it's like it made me retype it and everything, and I don't know. It's just not there now. No, I didn't call support. I should. I mean, it's just Shiba coin, so it's not like I had a whole bunch of money in there, but I'll have to try and figure it out for sure. All right. What are we doing here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change your password and stuff too, just in case. Generate a new key. Yeah, I'll have to. I'll have to look into that when I get off the stream here. I have to look up their help support and figure out what's going on. Because I mean, the odds of it going up to a penny and me being a millionaire is odd. But if it does, I don't want to miss out. you know. Uh, so yeah, I'll have to look up how to get in contact with the help support there at the old Coinbase-a-rooney. And figure out what the dealio is, yo. How the hell was I in a trade? I was up. How did I lose a trade on my PAs? That's what I don't fucking understand. I hate it when it does that shit. Oh, shish kebabs. Alright, I caught the short there. I'm not going to tell nobody that I caught the short, but I caught the short there. Alright, got to get Coinbase on the phone here. When the stream's over, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll try and track it down somehow. I don't know. Nick Zupa with the Shiba Doge, or whatever that symbol is. Hello, welcome in. Good morning. It is a swag show. There is MNQ gridlock. Can I show this somehow? Let's see here. Chart tree. Let's go gridlock here. Let's go hide. Put this over here for the people to see. We are in a short on this is gridlock here, guys. Moms and dads, boys and girls, brothers and sisters, we are in a short on NQ gridlock. It is one of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Not going to have any FOMO. For sure, no. But we'll see what it does. We shall see what it does. If it drops, that's good for us. It's money, 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 money. money, money. Gonna be huge. Josh Kogel, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. We'll see if we can drop down below 21,400. how far down is it going to go? How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? You guys remember that song? How low can you go? Anyway, I'm just being silly. We're here. It is a swag show. It is a Tuesday afternoon, almost 5 minutes until noon. We got NQ Gridlock, one of the premium strategy algorithms, in a $220 short here. We're just going to hope that it keeps on dropping. So I obviously need to call my Coinbase customer support, see how friendly they are, see if they can help me figure out where all my Shiba coin went, or if I'm living in a twilight zone and have like the Mandela effect going on. I don't know. It's really strange. Just one day I went to check on it and it was gone. I think it was Friday. I went to look and see where it was at. Checked all my stuff. All my Coinbase, I only have one Coinbase account. And I'm pretty sure that's where I bought it. I don't think I sold it because it didn't make any money yet. So why would I have sold it? And then it would have shown up in the transaction history, but it's not even showing up in that. So I don't know what the hell's going on. Weird things happening today. This week. This year so far. Let's just put it blunt. So, what do we got? We got NQ Gridlock. That's the only thing in the trade. Green right now. We got Big Bang ES and Big Bang NQ in a trade. I can pull those up. Let's see. Where'd it go? Where's the Big Bang? Yo. Here it is. Big Bang. Okay. Maybe not. NQ Big Bang. Not wanting to show up. Okay. There. Can you please show up? Thank you. Put that over there on YouTube. You can have a 2-for-1 Taco Tuesday. Don't say I never gave you nothing. $180 on Gridlock and $45 right now on Big Bang NQ. Both in a short. When both of those are in a short, it's probably a good time to be in a short. I'm not in a short, except on here. Manually, I wish I was. Cuz. But somehow I lost 50 and now I just made up 100. So I'm up 270 on my PAs, 420 on my evals, and 1600 on the big evals. Somebody give me the support number. What's the support number to Coinbase? I need to call them, figure out what's going on. It's 3 minutes till noon. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? Thank you for being here. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. And if you want to join right now, it's $500 for the first 21 days for the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that, or $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms, like the two that you're watching. If you made $300 a day, that would be $6,000 a month. So that's all you got to do. Make $300 a day. That's $6,000 a month per account. That's a pretty nice living. If you had 10 accounts, that's $60,000 a month. Slow and steady wins the race. NQ Gridlock is $2,200 in the green for the day, just so you know. Plus whatever this trade. So $2,700. And that's the one you're watching on TikTok. It's green. $2,700 on the day so far. Live price action moving. Big Bang NQ, green 400. It's green now 800 on the day. We'll see if it's going to fall below this 21,400 level and continue to move down. Best and worst. Got to do some homework real quick. Give me 1 second. Hold on a minute. Man, that's bright. I can't even see. Can't even see what's green and what's gray. Horrible. Wednesdays only have 1 green now. Okay. Let's check it out. Check it out. Wednesday, 1 green. Copy. Paste. Let me double check. What we got? We got NQ night PBV and then silver ES afternoon waves. ES. Oh. And what's the other one? It is MNQ gridlock. Okay. Bingo, bango, bongo. We ain't living in no Congo. This is in a short. So Big Bang closed out of the short. A little bit of profit, but Gridlock is still in the short. It was green $400 at the high water mark. $21,456 is where it got into the short at. And it was green $400 at the high water mark of this trade. So keep that in mind. We'll see if it continues to move down here. And if it can break below 21,400 or if it's going to be held up by that. But it was a big, nice H pattern. Yeah. The only thing in the trade besides Big Bang ES. So we'll keep it right here. We'll see what happens in the next half an hour or so on this Gridlock, NQ Gridlock, one of the premium strategy algorithms. It is green $2,400 on the day as we speak, live action. So, oh, there's my puzzle. I wondered where is that. Where am I from? I'm from America. The United States of America. So, no, I could talk like this, though, you know. I might be from Cuba, you know. I might not be from America. I might be from Cuba. I might just be tricking you with my accent, okay? But you don't want to mess with me, though, man. I tell you what, I kill the cockroaches. My name might be Tony Montana. I might be from Cuba, you know. We fly all the way from Panama to Miami Beach. It's dangerous for us, man, you know. We're taking all the risk here. We're taking all the risk. Avida! That's okay. Another Quaalude should love me in the morning. The state of misery, Illinois. I'm from Illinois, man. Some days you just go a little cuckoo in the coconut, you know what I mean? You just you got a couple of screws loose in your head, man. That's what the doctor tell me anyway, you know. He said, this guy here, man, he's cuckoo in the coconut. Loco la cabeza, man. You know? It's $250, man, a day is a lot of money. That's like $5,000 a month, man. Do you know if you make $200 a day, that's $4,000 a month, man? Can you understand? You just gotta go slow. It's okay. You leave my chat. You go. You come back. You wake up another day. 4:35, 4:45. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes $430. It's like sometimes I just black out. I don't know what happens. Oh, NQ Daywaves. What did you do? Did you get into trade and I missed you? Yeah, you did. Good thing I wasn't in that. Because you lost, man. You lost. Big time. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You put me in a happy state. Oh, it's a good thing. 350, 370, still holding around this 21,438 level. Yeah. Welcome in. Good morning. Good afternoon now. It's 12:11. Got about 10 minutes left in the stream. Then I got zooms to do, I think, for 2 or 3 people for sure. Yeah, I am just sitting in this gridlock. It does stay in a trade for quite a while sometimes. It's made $2,500 on the day. And that's the one on TikTok on the right there. On YouTube, green 315. Big Bang's green 495 on the day. NQ Big Bang, that is. About 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes or so left in the stream. I want to try and see if this is going to break down below that 21,400 level or not, or if it's pretty much petered out. Back to even almost here. Back to even on this. I must have had NQ something on. I don't know what I had on, but that's crazy. All right, high five. All right, turn all this off. Mid. Everything's off. Later. Everything's off. Silver. Everything's off. NQ new. Everything's off. Okay. Back into a little bit of profit here. It was green 400 and some dollars, so there is some drawdown, obviously. Got to be careful. You can close it out when you reach your goal. We'll see if this gets stopped out here. All right, so just kind of broke even there. Broke even on that one. So nothing else in a trade right now to show you. So we're probably going to call it a day. I will be back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern time. So come follow me and watch some more live stream futures market trading with me, your boy Kyle. This has been the Swag Show. I will be back tomorrow. Stay warm, stay safe, stay humble, stay peaceful. Tell somebody you love them. I appreciate you, and I'll see you mañana. All right, guys. Peace out.